Hey guys, Photo Contract here. We're here to tell you about this amazing app we've put together for you guys. When I say we, I mean we are professional photographers that have designed this app for photographers and cinematographers. So we've put it together knowing the industry, and we know exactly what professionals are looking for. The app is not a free app. It's $9.95 per month, which is a very fair price, we feel, for what you actually get. It's unlimited contracts, and the customer support is amazing, especially because we're all photographers. So when you download the app is going to look something like this on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. When you've downloaded the app, you'll be prompted to this particular page where you'll be asked if you're a photographer or cinematographer. Each form is slightly different. So in this case, we'll click on photographer, and we've laid this out beautifully. So, and the style of everything is just simply fun and easy to use. And we've got weddings, portraits, fashion, advertising, celebrities, and model release. Each one is specifically geared towards that industry. So when we thought of every detail that you could list that would cover you as a professional in that specific industry. So in this case, we'll click on weddings, and at the top there we're asking for the date, the start time, the end time, the hours, and it's really well put together and beautifully done and very easy to use. When you filled out the app, at the very end of it, you'll just simply send a contract, and your client will receive the contract in seconds. Now, for the sake of time, we're just going to zap forward and show you what the contract looks like when the client actually receives it. So once you send the contract to your client, this is their email, what they're going to receive. And if they, it says, "Hello, John Smith, you have received a contract from Photo Contract. Click here if you're an Android user, or click here if you're a iOS user." And you can either go to the Android Google Play Store or the Apple App Store if you're an iPhone or iPad user. Once they've downloaded it, they just simply have to click on Sign Contract, and they'll be prompted to the contract that you have already filled out. And it's all we filled out this for the sake of time already. So you just get to, the client will scroll through and they get to see exactly what you've put. If they wanted to know what they're signing for, they would simply click on View Contract in the top right hand corner, and they get to see the contract, exactly how it is laid out and what they're signing for. And then when they have finished reading, they can simply go back to the contract and go to the sign their name, click OK and agree to use it, accept and submit. And right away the message says your contract has been signed successfully, and a copy of your signed contract will be sent to your email. Okay, so let's check the email. And these contracts come through in instant. There really is not much waiting around. There it is, already come through. You click on attachments, and you click on PC, and you get to view exactly how it looks. As you can see, the contract is a PDF format. It's laid out, very neatly, very professionally. You can add your own logo on the left corner here, and on the top right hand corner you've got all your information, your address, phone number for the photographer. It even has a contract number for tax purposes if you want to do some tracking. And the information on the form here is exactly what you typed earlier on that form. So it's exactly what you see. It's the start time, the end time, the location, the cost, the deposit. We've basically thought of everything that you would need as a professional photographer. and you get to read the whole contract, and at the very end there's the signature that we signed earlier. And that's basically it. So if you have any questions, you can contact us at support@photocontract.com, and we feel that you're really going to enjoy using this app.